And it's time to announce the winners. Hi, this is Pam from Woodcamper Crafts. I just wanted to thank everyone who has tuned in and watched my videos, and all of you who entered the December 2022 pattern contest. So it's time to announce the winners. So I'm using a random comment picker to pick 5 lucky winners, and our first winner is Ellie. And our second winner is Lisa. And the third winner is Ginny. And our fourth winner is No Idle Hands. And our last winner is Oodles and Caboodles. So if you're one of the 5 winners, you can go on my Etsy shop and pick out one of my written patterns. I'll leave the link in the description below. Once you've picked the pattern, contact me at woodcampercrafts@gmail.com. Let me know which of the 5 winners you are and which pattern you'd like, and I'll send it to you by email. Thanks for entering, everyone, and thank you for watching my videos. I hope you enjoy the rest of your holiday season, and don't forget to subscribe.